What's going on, family? I have a beautiful floor plan I want to share with you today. Not just floor plan, a beautiful home. It is the Parker floor plan. It is a 5-bedroom, 3.5-bath home by Mattamy Homes, and it's located in a Charlotte suburb, Indian Trail, North Carolina. Now, if you're not familiar with Indian Trail, after this video, go ahead and check out the description. There will be a video talking about the top suburbs around Charlotte. Indian Trail definitely made the list, and you'll learn more about it. But let's talk about this Parker floor plan. It is over 3,000 square feet, and right now, presently, this is late 2022. It is priced in the sixes. I believe you're really gonna like this. Now, before we go in, let me tell you a little bit about the community. You do have amenities. You have a pool and a playground, and it is located in Union County. Union County has the second highest rated schools, public schools in North Carolina, behind Wake County. Now let's go inside this Parker floor plan. When you come in, first thing I notice is the finishes. You have crown molding all throughout downstairs. You have a bathroom tucked away, a half bath when you first come in. Off the beaten path. I really like that because it's not in the way. And then you have a formal dining area. Tray ceiling, again with the crown molding inside the tray. More storage underneath the stairwell. Now this floor plan, I believe, checks off a lot of boxes for a lot of different families. You can have multi-generations in this home because you have a suite downstairs. We will get to that in a second. Take a look at all the cabinet space. You have a large island right here. Very open floor plan between the living room, eat-in kitchen area, and the kitchen. You have the built-in microwave and oven. Take a look at the drop zone. Now, this is a nice size pantry. I will say that that glass insert, that's just for the model home. It'll typically come with a normal door. You will not be able to see inside the pantry, and a 2-car garage. Now we're looking outside. This is not representative of the lots out here in this community, the Braeburn community. This lot is actually very small because it's the model home. The lots in this community are actually pretty substantial when compared to other lots and other communities in the greater Charlotte area. Now we're about to go to the downstairs suite where you have a full bathroom. And a nice sized bedroom. It's not the largest bedroom, but enough to have a queen size bed, 2 nightstands, you have your dresser, and a full closet right here. Now let's head upstairs. Now Mattamy is the only builder, production builder, that has a wide staircase. I think the staircase is 36 inches wide, where most of them are a lot narrower than that. You do have a loft, and what I love about this floor plan is this second story deck. The deck is made out of a composite material, so you don't have to worry about wood rot or staining it. is going to stand the test of time. Take another look at the loft area. Now straight ahead is the owner's suite. We will check that out in a second. We're about to go to the wing of the home that is the secondary bedrooms. You have a large laundry room. Now the cabinets, that's extra. You typically just have wire shelving in that laundry room. This is bedroom number 2. Remember, you had the ensuite downstairs. This is the general bathroom. Heading into bedroom 3. Another spacious room. A smaller walk-in closet. Going to the last secondary bedroom, and again, it is a very good size for a secondary bedroom. This bedroom is the size of some of the owner suites in townhouses. Now let's head to the owner's suite, which I think you're really gonna like. You have the tray ceiling, you have the crown molding inside the tray ceiling, king size bed, oversized furniture. You have a little bump out over there as well for additional furniture. And enough room to put a bench at the end of the king size bed, as well as another chair and table. What I like about this floor plan is the 2 owner suite closets. That's one, and then this is the larger one. Now we're about to go into the bathroom. Dual vanity sinks. Everybody should come to expect that now in an owner suite, but a lot of people complain that there's no tubs. This one has a separate shower and a garden tub. But if you're interested in this Parker floor plan or in any homes in North or South Carolina, please reach out to my team and I. We are here to help. We want to guide you through the process. We understand that buying a home can be very stressful. And when you go in, talk to the sales reps, they represent the builder. Your interest is not their interest. Their interest is to make the most money for the builder. You need somebody representing you, and we would like to be your go-to agents. My name's Sir Ashley. The number is on the screen. I will talk to you soon.